So I bought this inexpensive paint sprayer from Amazon. It was about 30 bucks. That's pretty inexpensive as a paint sprayer goes. So we're gonna test this out, see how it works, see if it gets an even coat on my downspouts. Whatever's in here, I'm sure it's worth 30 bucks. Got goggles, got some gloves, got the actual paint sprayer, got the paint sprayer body right here, got the front part of the paint sprayer, pretty easily attachable. It's got this little trigger right here, but turn it to the side, put it in, and then turn it like so, and it's attached right there. Comes with a little filter. I'm not going to use this because I already have a cone filter, and I don't want to get this one dirty yet. Looks like a little, here's the part that holds the paint, and here is a little funnel. I really don't know what the funnel is for. And operating instructions in cleaning material and different types of heads. I'm going to go ahead and leave the nozzle that came on this on there to test this out. So I was under the impression that this was an airless paint sprayer, but it looks like it is a siphon paint sprayer. On the box it says electric paint sprayer gun. Regardless, I think it's pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out. So I went ahead and strained my paint into this bucket, and then since I believe this is a siphon paint sprayer, I put some thinner in it that thins your paint for siphon paint sprayers and gives it a more even coat. So we're going to try that. Now we're going to go try it out. Here are my gutter downspouts, and I'm painting them blue. I waited until the evening because it was 98 degrees today, and the paint says to paint when it's below 90 degrees. So I'm going to hurry up and get this done before it gets dark and let it sit. Overall, so far I'm pretty happy with this paint sprayer. That's it, guys. $30 paint sprayer from Amazon, and it works perfectly fine. Thanks for watching.